Hello, it's me again. A couple months after my last upload, saying that I was going to upload more, and that didn't happen, obviously. So Civic's apart. You'll see it's a little bit ahead of time, but what you're going to see is the last, technically, two rounds of our local autocross that we did in 2024. So this is 2026 currently where I'm releasing this, so that's how far behind I am. I do have some stuff kind of already edited up of when I actually took apart this the first time and rebuilt it. So that'll be a series of videos coming out. Hopefully, I'm working on getting it to where it'll only be about a month apart, maybe a little bit less than that, and then I will be videoing this year, autocross and stuff like that, going back because we've done a lot of upgrades to the Civic part in the motor, but also we've changed a lot of things. We're not going to be in H Street again. There's been some changes in the local club, so all good stuff, not anything bad, but we'll be hitting a new place that I haven't been to since 2017, 2015. So yeah, 10 years. Z-Max Dragway will be one of the stops for autocross, which that place is just super cool, really big place. But last two events, there's only really one or two videos from Greensboro. It was just a crazy, chaotic day. We got new wheels and tires for the day. I don't even know how much I covered in that, but we found a nice set of tire rack sport racing wheels, I guess. I can't remember what they are, the TR11s or something, TR10s. But we put those on. Those are 245 square all the way around of 2-year-old AO52s. So they did all right, pretty good grip. But didn't videotape a lot because we were actually first run group. We're just not used to that. So we literally got there. We barely had time to get the car ready, and then it was just zoom, getting done with everything. So it wasn't a lot of time, but had a really good time there. I think we got third in class behind Emily and Jack. But then the next one after that, you'll see I got some inboard stuff, some me facing me. I had a passenger with me at one point in time. I can't think of his name, but he's super cool guy. He actually has a really fast Focus ST that he races in a totally different class, obviously. But he rode with me. But yeah, the last event, I think I got second. I think I split Emily and Jack, but I can't remember exactly. So I'll put all that in the video as so I've kind of been doing a little bit more editing and stuff and adding some commentary, but currently it is 35 degrees in the shop, so it's cold, but I'm trying to get that off the stand, get it hooked up to that, and then maybe back in the car as soon as we can. You see, shine some stuff up, try to take care of some surface rust stuff, spend some time trying to wire wheel all that stuff down. But yeah, so we're gonna get to that now, and then maybe there'll be a little outro.
That's one way to get them hot, bud. Whoa! Maybe we went a little too high on pressure.
Got done with our first run. Didn't set the camera the first time. Didn't even set up, didn't even really record anything yet. So it's a little bit different of an angle. So I'm trying to get one for facing me, showing the wheels, the wheel work, and then probably put one up here next time. Ran a 49 or 45.9, so I'm in third behind Emily and Jake. So we'll see how this goes. Well, no matter what, we have third in championship, so we're hoping to. I don't necessarily want to disrupt the top two because it's down to the wire. It's a 2-point difference, so winner takes all today. Whoever scores higher than the other between Emily and Jack. So yeah. Clip of me on this side again.
Still running somewhere in the 245 range of tires?
I actually just got 245s on it squared. Before I ran 225. 215s are stock on it, and then 225s fit no problem. And then my brother found these wheels and tires, and I was like, well, let's try them. I mean, it's the right offset, right everything, so that's what I did last time. I tried to fucking launch lightly, and this thing has 0 balls, so, and I fucking burned them to the ground. What the fuck? You got 2.
Oh, you did?
He's grabbing one too.
Oh, geez.
Daniel Schugan with about a 3/10 improvement, taking down to a 41.981, 41.981, holding on to that top spot.
I see what you mean about that mount, though.
Yeah, no, she's not happy.
Screaming for its life.
She's really not happy.
Ow.
You please fucking stop beating on me.
Oh, you ain't grip so well.
Yeah, no, it fucking. I'm getting used to it because I'm used to 225s.
Yeah.
I did a staggered at Rockingham where I did 245 front, 225 rear, and it was she was sliding. But now the ass end is nowhere near as lively as it was before, so. Well, we got second on the day. Emily Honeycutt is just natural born killer behind the wheel. She's good, really fast. Civic's still down on power, but honestly, it wouldn't have helped here anyways. I was doing burnouts as it was, so it's gonna get a refresh. My other buddy back there, Jack, he came in third. He was actually leading, and Emily's gonna win the championship. I'm gonna bring him third, so bring him second. Over here, we have Brian, over good friend Michael and his Evo. Just out here, this is his first event. Should probably see his banquet. The end of another great autocross. How many trophies do you have?
I got a few.
I got one. I got
an extra.
Who's that for?
Our new buddy Michael. By the way, dude, top 5 novices for today. So I'll hold on to your little coaster trophy. First event ever. Congrats, dude.
Good job, bud.